Hello sir, this is Dinesh. The topic is about COVID-19 app. This is review 2. I have chosen testing tool as Appium testing tool for my project because it has more advantages than disadvantages. Some of them are automate various types of mobile apps, does not require app code recompletion, enables tester to automate apps without adding extra components, supports several WebDriver compatible languages, allows tester to use real devices, emulators, and stimulators. This is about Appium tool. Appium tool is an open source tool for automatic native mobile, web, and hybrid applications on an iOS mobile, Android mobile, and Windows desktop platforms. Native apps are those written using the iOS, Android, or SDKs. Mobile web apps or web apps accessed using a mobile browser. Appium supports Safari on iOS and Chrome or the built-in browser apps on Android. So hybrid apps have a wrapper around a web view, a native control that enable interaction with web contents. Projects like Apache Cordova make it easy to build apps using web technologies that are then bundled into a native app, creating a hybrid app. Importantly, Appium is cross-platform. It allows you to write test against multiple platforms like iOS, Android, and Windows using the same API. This enables code reuse between iOS, Android, and Windows test suites. I have chosen Appium tool because Appium tool is a freely distributed open source mobile application UI testing framework. It offers cross-platform application testing, that is, single API work for both Android and iOS platform test script. It has no dependency on mobile device and OS. So this is how Appium works. Appium is an HTTP server written using a Node.js platform and driver iOS and an Android season using WebDrivers JSON wire protocol. Hence, before initiating the Appium server, Node.js must be pre-installed on the system. When Appium is downloaded and installed, then the server is set up on our machine that exposes a REST API. It receives connection and command request from the client and executes that command on mobile devices like Android or iOS. It responds back with the HTTP response again to execute this request. It uses the mobile test automation framework to drive the user interface of the apps. Framework like these Apple instruments for iOS, like instruments are available only in Xcode 3.2 or later with iOS XV 10.5 and later. Google UI Automata for Android API level 16 or higher. System requirement. This is system requirements. Minimum hardware requirement. Intel i5 or i7 processor, 1 GB free hard disk space, 8 GB RAM, available USB 2.0 port and USB cable. Windows OS and software requirements. Microsoft Windows Vista 64-bit, Windows 7 64-bit or Windows 8 or higher. Mac OS or software requirements. Mac OS and software requirements. Features of Appium. Appium does not require application source code or library. Appium provides a strong and active community. Appium supports various languages like C, Python, Java, Ruby, PHP, JavaScript with Node.js, and many others that have Selenium client library. Appium has multiple platform support, that is, it can run the same test cases on multiple platforms. In Appium, a small change does not require reinstallation of the application. Appium allows the parallel execute. Thank you.